Not even $10 card. That just happened to us with Brandon's display. Alright, here we go. Another one for Brandon. Display box. And Vision Hero Ferris. So let's hope this one does better. This set is definitely very rough. Easy to get it's a lot easier to get a ghost, but it's a ghost or pretty much crap. All right. It's definitely easier than the first ghost in the past to get a ghost rare. Alright, here we go. We're really going off now in this box. Puppet Queen. Ancient Judgment. Chaos Grepher. Have you opened any, JP? Or just watching your friend open it? Alright, Forward Cauldron. Alien Omnite, Galaxy Soldier. Heavenly Dragon Circle, Ghost Trick, so cute. Boss, Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Oh, he ripped it for you. Wow. Oh, damn. Sorry to hear there's nothing in there. Let me know if you want a second chance. I mean, you know, we got a lot here. Got 12 more boxes. Yep. We still have 12 display boxes here. You're just hoping to hit one. Life has other plans for us. You're done. You hate Yu-Gi-Oh? Oh god. I'm sorry that Yu-Gi-Oh has done you wrong that hard. Alright. At least another DMG in the case. I hope so. I hope the clumping is true. Hitting all DMGs would be great. You opened so many from the first series and didn't get. I couldn't even get my hands on that many. Ghost Trick Mary. I got like 2 or 3 display box mini displays, and that's it. After that, they stopped selling them around me. That was so sad. And another Time Thief Temporal Wall. Alright, come on. Don't debate us. Give us the blue eyes. Give us the Dark Magician Girl. And Fossil Machine. It's alright, it's alright. We'll make it. We'll get there. We'll get there. Don't cry. Doppel Warrior. And Time Thief. Or Time Thief. The Agent of Life. Neptune. I got Time Thief Temporal Wall stuck in my head. Alright, here we go. Ghost Trick Stein. DDD Vice King Requiem. Ooh, coming down to the wire. Come on. Come on, come on. Vision Hero Increase. There's so many effect monsters in here. I keep getting debated. Straight to the face. Alright. Alright, can it be this pack right here? Fossil Warrior Skull Knight. Alright. Donate me the bulk of Yu-Gi-Oh cards so you can make a deck. Maybe. You have to ask Jeff and Brandon. If not, I mean, you know, take them. And oh, Chaos Greffer. Okay, 2 packs left. Alright, so we got Brandon's blessing. And oh, another DDD. At least we got a Manju here. Alright, here we go. Last pack. Come on. Let's do a pack trick. Also, welcome, Jacob. Alright, Ghost Trick Mummy. Vision here, Vion. Tots Necro. Bluebeard. Oh. Majesty Hyperion. It looks cool, but